So since it's 30th of November, I want you guys to watch this video very carefully. Because today's body close is going to decide whether the month of December is going to be bullish or bearish. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. Today in this video, we are going to find out what to expect for the month of December if the price of Bitcoin fails to close the candle of this CPI trend line. We are going to talk about this in detail, but first thing first, let's destroy that like button and let's try to reach at least 1,000 like in this video, because video like this takes a lot of time, takes a lot of energy. So please, if you appreciate what I'm doing, if you like this kind of daily content, then definitely destroy that like button. Thank you very much. Now, first thing first, what I want you guys to look at is this scenario which we have been talking since a couple of days. I mean, in history, we have found out Bitcoin, after losing the support around this 50 exponential moving average, always got attracted, right? Always got attracted on this 100 exponential moving average, which resulted in a temporary rally, and price after that headed towards the original direction. What I mean by that, I mean, you can see here, lost the support from this 50 exponential moving average, got attracted on 100 exponential moving average, which resulted in a temporary rally, a fake rally, and price after that headed towards the original direction. Same scenario unfolded here. Lost the support from this 50 exponential moving average, got attracted on 100 exponential moving average, which resulted in a temporary rally, and price after that headed towards the original direction. Same scenario has repeated again and again. And if we look in our case, Bitcoin has officially lost the support from this 50 exponential moving average, even tested the support around 100 exponential moving average. And now, if history repeats again, right? If history repeats again and Bitcoin shows another relief rally, just like what happened here, then what kind of scenario are we expecting? A rally around this 50 exponential moving average, and right after that, heading towards the original direction, I mean to the downside. And why is this so important for us? Because according to our leading indicator for the month of November, you can see the CPI trend line sits in between $111,000 to $114,000. And we know if Bitcoin closes the month of November, the monthly candle close, if it's going to be below the CPI trend line, below 111,000, you know the next month CPI could be somewhere around this price range. I mean, Bitcoin for the month of December could be printing a descending CPI, and we know descending CPI only gets formed during downtrend. So please, guys, please monitor this price movement very carefully, because in the medium short term, even if it results in another bullish continuation towards this 50 exponential moving average, you know what kind of scenario to expect after that, right? Price heading towards this next month CPI, the month of December, which in our case will be a descending CPI lower than the previous month, right? And this trend line will be acting as resistance as well, along with this 50 exponential moving average, which could prepare us for a continuation in this manner. So it is very important. If Bitcoin wants to do the unthinkable, then we have to close the month of November above this CPI trend line. Otherwise, the month of December is expected to be bearish. Yes, guys, according to our leading indicator, the month of December will be considered bearish, despite the smaller time frame showing us a different scenario. I mean, in the medium short term, you can see in a 4-hour time frame, Bitcoin looks like breaking out from this falling channel. But even if this results in another continuation like this, I just showed you, Bitcoin has resistance from this 50 exponential moving average, resistance from this CPI indicator, our leading indicator on that area. You can see the S1 line sits exactly around 99,000. So around that area, we have resistance, and this bullish breakout could be turning out into a fake out. So for us, despite Bitcoin forming a falling channel pattern, despite Bitcoin forming a descending broadening wedge, another bullish continuation pattern, I want you guys to be very careful. I don't want you guys to fall for a move which could look somehow like this, a false break to the upside to liquidate the over leverage shorts, and then head towards the original direction to liquidate the over leverage longs. And this is how the market tends to work. And we are also aware Bitcoin, despite RSI slowly gaining momentum heading towards the central line, we are still facing resistance from this Williams alligator indicator, because this is a bearish cross in Williams alligator indicator. Blue line at the top, just like what happened here. Blue line at the top, green line at the bottom only happens during downtrend. So we right? We are still facing resistance from this Williams Alligator indicator, CPI indicator, Bollinger Band as well. I mean, if you look at this daily Bollinger Band, after breaking out of the lower band, now this move, what we are witnessing here, could be resulting in a temporary rally. But at the moment, even the central line or the basis line will be acting as resistance along with this Williams Alligator indicator. So what I mean by that, if Bitcoin breaks out, I mean Bitcoin starts following this bullish continuation pattern known as descending broadening wedge, falling channel pattern, the best case what could happen here is a move around 100,000, maximum 105,000 according to this scenarios here. And right after that, the price of Bitcoin could head towards the original direction. And this is the exact move what I want you guys to avoid, because Bitcoin, yes, in the medium short term could show strength, but if you look at this, right, what has happened in history, I mean, after some relief rally, Bitcoin has followed the original direction. And even according to this leading indicator gives us information before, and then according to this scenario, you can see Bitcoin here could be printing a descending CPI for the month of December, which only gets formed during downtrend. So please guys, please be aware, if Bitcoin fails to regain its trend above the CPI trend line above 111 to 114,000 today before closing the month, then even after a rally which might look somehow like this, it could still be turning into a fake out, and price of Bitcoin is going to follow the original direction. So you can see, unless something unthinkable happened today, the month of December, according to our leading indicator, could be turning bearish. So please guys, please be aware. Do not overleverage yourself. Use proper risk management strategy, proper position sizing. Otherwise, you know, things could get very, very ugly. And today we are also expecting a lot of volatility. So please, one more time, do not over leverage yourself. And guys, if you are also unaware about this free $30,050 bonus from Bybit, then definitely check the video description, because this event is temporary. And if you are an experienced trader who want to take advantage of this market volatility, trade with free money, then the time to act is now. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.